Hey, what's up, Telcoin holder? This is an emergency update for all Telcoin holder, and you know why this is an emergency? Because my brother, you can see this time last 7 days change occur, last 24-hour change occur. It's completely in the profit, and I want to, my friends, everybody is in the profit, and absolutely after this video, you are completely in the profit, and you never lost, my brother. So let's get started this brand video. This video I will predicate this coin. I do technical analysis, and I also share opinion, my brother. So kindly before subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this stuff informative videos. So hope you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So this time, my brother, you can see here this chart is completely gonna show you, my brothers, to this coin is in the profit now. You know why? Because, my brothers, to after this fails they will recover again now. So I'm so happy to see this. Last 7 day chart is on the screen, and this coin is also in profit in the last 7 days. So you know, my friend, this time the highest point touched 0.034 USD dollar, but again, my friend, there is again they touch now. So this time, if you can remember, this coin is completely go in the moon now, and I hope, my friend, in the future will be bright now, and this coin continuously moving upward now. So if they're moving and this style, so exactly, my friend, there is more chances today gonna be viral now, and outcome from market they will broke all record. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do, but kindly hold her, don't disturb this, my friend. I hope, my brother, if you hold, then absolutely they will continuously moving upward now, and if you want to invest more, then they will high the speed, my brother. So let's see, my brother. First of all, I will tell you, don't sell it, otherwise this completely falls down and they're completely in the loss. So try to understand, holder, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Holders, one thing I want to tell you, freeze the giveaway is also coming soon of Telcoin. So if you want to participate, so just in all my friends, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribing our YouTube channel, my brother. So my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, my friends. Telcoin holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel.